Hi guys, this year CAT paper is going to be conducted by IIM Lucknow itself, and I am today at IIM Lucknow to record these things because this is going to be historic moment for you. क्योंकि जिस साल तुम दे रहे हो वो साल IIM Lucknow is going to conduct the exam. So we'll go through all the changes that can happen in IIM Lucknow paper. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है पैटर्न चेंज करते हो लोग, ये चेंज करते हो वो चेंज करते हो, क्या क्या चीज़ें चेंज हो सकती है. वी लुक एट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. एक्चुअली क्या चेंजेस आएगा वो कोई नहीं बताने वाला. विल कम टू नो दैट थिंग आफ्टर द ऑन द एग्जाम डे ओनली. एग्जाम वाले दिन 2 बजे मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि एग्जैक्टली कितने क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आए हैं, बट वी नीड टू गेट एन आइडिया. सो लेट्स गो थ्रू ऑल द थिंग्स विच कैन चेंज, which can be changed by the IIM Lucknow for this year CAT exam. Hi guys, after 2010, IIM Lucknow got a chance to conduct the CAT exam in 2017, and finally they got a chance to conduct the exam in 2023 as well. So there are 5 changes which I expect that IIM Lucknow can bring in. Yep, this is based on what they've done in the past, what they've done in 2010, what they've done in 2017. So all those changes are based on that. So, and every year they are doing some changes. See, some IIMs are focused and did not do any change. No change in the paper pattern, but question will change. Yeah, they focus the question. But IIM Lucknow have always fiddled with something or the other. In 2010, they increased the number of slots in which a student can give the exam. Yeah, so they bring in some changes. So then 2017 also they made some, I think they reduced the TETA questions. The number of TETA questions were reduced by IIM Lucknow in 2017. Earlier, the TETA course used to be more. Same, based on that, this year I'm expecting some change. So number one, there will not be any change in the overall paper pattern. The number of questions will remain same. 20, 22, 24. It can go upside down. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, like 22, they can do 22, 22, 24, 22, 20. So they can do a mix and match, but मोटा 20, 20 plus लेके चलो. So total number of questions will remain 66 because they have never changed the overall structure of the paper. So expect this also will be 26. और ये सीधा एग्जाम वाले दिन पता लगेगा. They're not going to announce that what changes are going to happen. If we are lucky, they might tell us. Otherwise, on the exam day, we'll come to know. But trust me, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. कितने क्वेश्चन आने फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम कितने सॉल्व करने वाले हो उससे फर्क पड़ता है. So number one thing is they will not touch the paper pattern. They should not touch the paper pattern. They might not touch, whichever way you want to say it. Yeah. So that's number one. Number two, maths ka level difficulty is comparatively always easier. This is a trend which I've seen over the years as well, and IIM Lucknow always does that. So quant ka level will be more moderate towards easy. Yeah, that's a good news for everyone, because now most of IIMs are going towards diversity, this and that. So because of that, maths ka level is slightly becoming easier. So maths will be comparatively more easier as compared to the non-math section. Okay, as compared to the last few years. Fine. Then verbal section also is going to be moderate towards easy. Verbal section will be predominantly reading, because ये IIM Lucknow ने ही concept start किया था कि reading, lot of reading based question. So trend continue रहेगा. RC, para jumble, para completion, everything based on paragraphs. You have to read a lot of paragraphs, because once you join the IIM, you have to read a lot anyways. All the case study, this and that. So अभी से आपको आदत डालना चाहते हैं, उसी को लेंगे जो reading में अच्छा है. Okay. DI logic section is which always bear the brunt. लास्ट में ही हुआ था, इस बार भी वही होने वाला है कि DILR section is going to be the most difficult thing. I took a hint of CAT 100 percentile. उसने भी ये बोला था कि भाई मेरे जो जहाँ मेरी फटती थी, जहाँ जिससे मैं स्ट्रेस्ड आउट होता था, that used to be DLR. I was confident about quant, I'm confident about verbal, but DLR section is something which everyone should be scared of. And DLR is normally orphaned by everyone. हर बच्चा मैथ्स का वीक होता है या वर्बल वीक होता है. DI लॉजिक बहुत कम बच्चे बोलते हैं उसका वीक है. सो प्लीज डू फोकस ऑन DI लॉजिक एज वेल, because that is going to be tricky, and IIM Lucknow always keep DLR section as the most difficult section. 2010 ले लो, 2017 का 17 का पेपर खोल के देख लो, you will find DLR section will be more difficult. Fine. So these are 5 changes I'm expecting from CAT exam this year. So I've updated the new syllabus as well. Please check out the link in the description box. I've given the new syllabus for the CAT exam. Maths में they've introduced new topic, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, जो पहले नहीं आते थे, अब आना शुरू हो गए. Fine. In DILR section, they've introduced per chart, that root chart, all these things. Venn diagram बहुत common हो गया. So these are the topic, list of topic which is given in the description box. Please do all these things. All the best.